Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and I have a five-seater sofa in this video for you. A quite designer sofa and straight out of a catalog. When I talk about catalog, it means the pictures that are available on internet that are made by software. These are not actual pictures. Earlier there were designers who used to design the entire thing, but these days very easy. Just go to AI, gives a prompt and you'll get a flashy sofa right in 10-20 seconds on your screen. What people do is they take these pictures, pick up these pictures because they look so flashy, so good, so they want us to make the same design for them. And this is what we do. Another design from the catalog, and in real solid teak wood, antique gold paint, and a beautiful design of sofa right here. It's a different design from the regular one because generally what we see is we see cushion handles on both sides. This side we have a wooden frame, and the wooden frame is again completely painted, and the design has got a little curve on both sides. When we get curves on the handles, it is generally a bigger set. Our regular three-seater is 6.5 feet wide. This one is 7 feet. Back is 45 inches. Front to back, this is 32 inches because the design that you see in the legs is a little coming out of the unit. And this is where the work is. Solid teak wood, as you can see, and that gives the strength to this unit. It's a three-seater, though the seat part you see in partition, it has got a middle partition, but it's a three-seater unit. I'll sit on one side. Let me sit on this side, and you can see how much space I have on this side completely for two people. And the this cushion part is giving added comfort. And another thing I like to mention here is about the depth of the unit. Now, if you can see here, my knees are on the edges. Here, you can see the edges are on the knees, and my feet are properly grounded. These are 2 points that are important for the comfort part. If your knees are outside, like this, it's not a very comfortable position. And again, if the knees are over the unit, like I have very deep unit, then I have to sit like this. My legs are in the air, so it's not again a very comfortable position. I cannot sit very long like this. So the proper position is when I'm resting both my legs, my hand has got support here, the shoulder, and it's a very comfortable position. I can sit like this for hours, or I can watch a movie, and I can do my regular meetings. I can meet people. Similarly, the chair here, the chair is out and out 38 inches, a little more than 3 feet. Back height is 45 again, front to back 32 inches, and the space you can see, I can sit like this. I can remove the cushion, and I can go at the back completely. And the look, overall look, you can see the unit is here. The designer work that you see on the unit, the carving work, is hand carving. We have amazing artisans, in fact master artisans, who do this kind of work, and this is all handcrafted, drawn by hand on papers, that's transferred to the wood, then carved by hand, then the painting work and the cushion work. It involves a lot of people, and finally something like this is crafted. Not just crafted, but crafted to your choice. And choice involves everything: size, design, color of the unit. So if you don't like gold, you can go for other colors: white, off-white, triple shade, dual shade. You can go for polished colors: natural finish, honey gloss, matte finish, gloss finish, walnut, light walnut, dark walnut, mahogany. We have got all the options. We have already done it, and there are hundreds of videos on YouTube where I have shown you so many designs in different colors. And the other part, important part, is fabric. Fabric for any unit gives the look to the overall set. The closer the fabric is to your choice, the better unit looks. And it also depends on the interiors. So let's say I have a carpet here, standard carpet I generally put for all the sets. But if you have a different color carpet like green or blue, so you want something to be contrast or matching to the set design, we do that. So you tell us what color you're looking for. You're looking for something like this damask pattern. You're looking for self pattern. You're looking for suede, leatherette, leather, real leather even we have started working on. So you can let us know what you're looking for, and we'll make it accordingly. Tables, side tables. You want a smaller table, higher table at the back. You want a settee along with it. You want an open back settee or a divan. or puffies, all these options are available. On the website aarsunwoods.com, you'll find so many designs that we have created already. Pick anyone you like. If not from our catalog, pick from any catalog you like. Something with the wooden work, with the carving work. Too simple work we are not doing, because that can be done locally also, and we'll make it as per your selection at factory price, because we are making it, you are receiving it, not just in India but 55 countries outside India also, with Aarsun quality and at factory price. So let us know what you're looking for. Let us make your dream sofa set, your dream furniture for your dream house, and we will deliver it to your doorstep at best prices with top quality. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.